How to delete website or blog in WordPress. This is a step-by-step video so you can follow easily. Now first things first, you want to head over to your server hosting right here, and in my case it's the sofaclus.com. Once inside, you then want to navigate through your website list. In my case, I have two WordPress websites right here. I have this first one and I have the second one. Now if you want to go ahead and delete these websites, you can just go ahead and navigate through the control panel of this website. In my case, I have to go ahead and click on this website right here. And right after, if I go ahead and scroll down, you can now go ahead and see the uninstall or remove button on your server hosting. Now if you go ahead and click on uninstall, it will go ahead and delete the files, folders, and database of this specific website. So you can just go ahead and click on it. Go ahead and click on remove installation, and you should be good to go. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.